In today's video, you will learn how to make the best ever vanilla cake recipe in the oven. Moist and fluffy vanilla cake, perfect for making cake layers. How to get that perfect flat cake layers without using strips. You don't need any knife to level the top. You're watching Queen Varieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Remember to turn on your bell notifications, like and subscribe. Thank you. This cake preparation, you will require 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon powdered vanilla sugar, half teaspoon vanilla flavor, half teaspoon cinnamon or nutmeg, which is optional, and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. All these ingredients I have crossed into my sieve and sifted it very well. You're going to mix to combine appropriately and then set it aside. Moving forward to the wet ingredients, I have here 300 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to sift the sugar just to prevent any lumps and begin to cream it until it becomes super fluffy. You know you have arrived at the right consistency when you have exactly what I am showing you right now on the screen. You require 6 room temperature eggs. Make sure all items used for this recipe are at room temperature, okay? Just in case I forgot to say it, including the eggs one after the other, and when I add one, I will creaming in one direction, so please take note of that. This is very important, and make sure you don't over cream the batter, otherwise you will result with a tough, hard cake outcome. Notice also that as I include the eggs, I also mix the batter by the sides just to make sure everything is well incorporated. So this is the step and procedure we will continue to do until the 6 eggs are perfectly integrated. Then I'll add 4 teaspoons of vanilla aroma. You can use 1 tablespoon of extract, and then I'll begin to add the dry ingredients gradually, okay? When I integrate the dry ingredients, then I'll add the milk a little bit. Alright, let me remind you that at this point in time the mixer is not turned on. I'm just using the tip to mix the dry ingredients to incorporate it. Once I have included everything, I'll just turn it on and beat it a little bit. Make sure you don't over mix the batter. See how smooth and beautiful it looks. Just set it aside and begin to take care of the baking pan. I'll just cream it a little bit with butter, sprinkle a little bit of flour and shake off excess flour. This is just all about it, and your baking pan is ready. Make sure you're using equal baking pans, okay, just so that you will have equal baking cake sizes. So go on now and pour your cake batter right inside your cake pans. Tap it a little bit just so that everything will set at the base. We are going to bake at a low temperature at 120 degrees Celsius. If you're using Fahrenheit, you're going to bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This is very important, and we are doing this for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes just because we are using low temperature. And that's it, guys. Once your cake comes out, it looks perfectly flat, as you can see. It tastes so superb. Trust me, this cake was super delicious, and guys, it turned out so flat, okay? You don't need to use knife to trim it off. What I'm doing there is just to remove the flour that came at the base, and you have that perfectly baked cake. So beautiful and incredibly amazing. I'm going to show you how you're going to ice this perfect cake in my next video. Until then, thank you so much for spending time with me. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and loved. God bless you. Bye for now.